Fire Mountain Gems and Beads has been a proud supporter of Rogue Winterfest. The annual Winterfest Gala showcases themed Christmas trees created by companies across Southern Oregon, which are then auctioned to benefit local mental health organizations such as Family Solutions, Kairos, and Options for Southern Oregon. This year, Fire Mountain's dedicated jewelry designers and staff invested significant time and effort into crafting a stunning tree for the auction, titled Shoot for the Moon, exemplifying their commitment to serving the community. The celestial creation features handmade stars, moons, suns, planets, and more, resulting in a presentation that's truly out of this world. The tree is a masterpiece. Expressing gratitude for their exceptional customers and employees, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads cherishes the opportunity to contribute to this impactful event annually. Their involvement reflects a commitment to giving back to the community they deeply value.